Hi, I'm Bruno and I'm in second grade of middle school here in Livorno, and I am in the school Santo Spirito, and I have my friends here, my schoolmates, which are bigger, smaller or my age. We are here for a special reason. Livorno is special for its sea, and we are here studying the project Math Around Us. And we studied today the Fibonacci sequence and the Fibonacci rectangles and the Fibonacci shell, it's called. And we're here to find signs of the Fibonacci in the beach in one of the beaches in Livorno. And I hope we'll find something special and like shells. Rocks that are fossils, starfish, and like maybe also different types of also crabs that maybe you find on a dock that have a shape of their shell or.
Before going to the beach, teacher Erika tried to explain us Fibonacci numerical sequence. Leonardo Bonacci was a mathematician from Pisa. He brought Arabic numerals to Europe. From a study of reproduction of rabbits, he found out that there is the same numerical sequence in all natural elements, named Fibonacci sequence.
It's a sequence in which each number given is made up of the addition of the previous two. From Fibonacci sequence, we obtain the golden section, which is the ratio between these two numbers, and is expressed by phi number, whose value is 1.618. Artists have always used this number to draw rectangles, spirals, and stars. We also try to draw a star, the Pythagorean pentacle.
It was our old friend Pythagoras who discovered that the pentagram was full of mathemagic. The two shorter lines combined exactly equal the third. And this line shows the magic proportions of the famous golden section. The second and third lines exactly equal the fourth. Once again, we have the golden section. But this is only the beginning. Hidden within the pentagram is a secret for creating a golden rectangle, which the Greeks admired for its beautiful proportions and magic qualities.
Aspetta, io lo confino di collare. No, mi ha dato un pezzo di scotch. Aspetta. Così va bene. Ma sembra una stella. Due pezzi.
Fammi vedere. Brava, è un po' storto.
Perfetta, se la metto così entra.
Serve un altro scotch.
Chi è che ce l'ha?
È difficile. Adesso che la sedia è già attaccata non la possiamo cambiare, però immaginatevi la vostra sedia.
Asia, lì mi serve un... non ce l'avevo. Cosa? Mi dà due cannucce.
In the meanwhile, we play Fibonacci's game, the path of this. We placed 7 hexagons on the ground that represented the shells of a hive. Know that these moved to the adjacent shells, and they moved from a shell with a smaller number to a shell with a bigger number. How many possible parts are there? We go to the beach looking for evidence of the golden section. The sea is fantastic, but we are unlucky because it is not the right season.
We find some shells, a small sea urchin, some sea slugs, a starfish, other shells previously taken from the school museum. Interestingly, we found a rock with the snail fossils that reproduce the golden spiral. We eventually created a beautiful living golden spiral. We continued our work in class. We returned to the starfish to verify the ratio of its various lines. And the teacher explains to us that the ratio of its two parts is always 1.618. Number of the golden section named phi.
Draw the Fibonacci sequence on a spiral line similar to the cell of a snail. At the same time, we try to find shapes of animals, plants, and other elements. and we think about symmetries in nature. The spherical symmetry of protozoa. The bilateral symmetry of men and insects. And the radial symmetry of flower, fruit, mollusk. Stellar shape of the sea Harsin is also.
There is also the mathematical symmetry of annelids. In group we study the passion flower. In which the numbers 3 and 5, referring to Fibonacci sequence, are extremely evident, and demonstrate the presence of geometry in nature. We draw its geometric shapes, equilateral triangle, pentagon, and circles of different size. We eventually try to revise the shapes to create a three-dimensional flower.
There are many trees around our playground at school. We counted them. We went downstairs to the garden and we recognized the different species of the trees. When we finished counting them, we prepared a graph called How Many Trees There Are in Our Garden. Back in class, our teacher taught us about the Fibonacci sequence tool. We followed the sequence and we created a tree. We enjoyed ourselves very much.